My brother told me to delete all my videos. So now I only had one video. That's the reason why I have one video. Also, I am playing Steal a Brainrot. Go away. Okay. Yeah, I'm leaving. Please don't come to my base. Please don't even look at my base. No, I am not doing this. No. I'm not playing that game anymore. Let's play. Don't press the button. Whee! Yeah. Oh my goodness. What is this? I'm still stuck on the floor. How am I supposed to reach it? Hello? Yeah, I already died. Finally. Okay. Whoa. Okay. It's not even that hard. Honestly. Whoa. Wait. Thank you. No. No. I can't die like this. I can't die. Ooh. Wait. I can't. Bruh. Next color. Yellow again. You guys fail. Again? Does this game is yellow the favorite color or something? Again? Yellow really is the favorite color. Finally, a new color. Oh, but where the hell even is? There it is. Okay. Oh. He's the tallest. Jump! First place! Wait, I'm second? Oh my gosh. At least I'm second. You won. Can I jump off now? I want to jump off. What should I buy? Nothing yet. I have to get to 100. Whoa. Huh? Oh, we... Go. Jump. It's rising. It's here. It's near. Oh, no. Go. Climb. Why does it have to be so thin? Whoa. Oh, someone just died. Oh. Womp. Okay, I'm just joking. Oh, my goodness. Come on. Yes, I made it. Don't press the button yet. Watch out. What do you mean? Damn. That's why you shouldn't have pressed the button. This one. Up. This one. Up. It's up. So which one is the correct pad? Is it just this one? I pressed the button. Ah! We all died. Except for... Okay, no. Yeah. That wasn't fair. Who the hell are you? Look at that penguin. Hello. Everyone is dead. Stop with the game. Stop. I said stop. Finally, good boys. What? I want to touch the button. What did I do? This one is the safest. I'll be staying here. Yeah. Everyone, come here. No, don't go over there. Oh. Oh. Oh, wait. I think I'm cooked. No! We're cooked! Huh? Huh, what? Oh! I'm the button presser. That's for long. Oh, this again? Okay, it's the middle one. Obviously, it's the middle one that's free. Oh my goodness, no! I was going to jump. Go, 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 go. Oh, well, you look ugly. Oh, well, you look pretty ugly. Ah! Everyone is ugly. Your mama's so ugly. Why did I actually even die? Like, I was supposed to win. When we... Button. Why can't I never get the coins? Snowball fight. Everyone died. Ooh, a present. Die. Die. Ow, where's my... Oh. Die. Yeah, that's what you get. Up! I'm sorry. Am I really the second one that died? You're not allowed to say that! Do you want me here? Do you want me to swear? Obviously not. I am kid family friendly. I'm kids plus family friendly. Kids friendly. I would never do that. Okay, I'm just... No, that was an accident! I'm going to get banned. I'm definitely going to get banned. Oh, no, not again. Not again. Please don't hit me. I need to get the coins. Whoa. Thank you. Don't press the button. What? Ha. I am great with hobbies. I am actually the best with siblings. Like, I'm the best at hobbies. Like, my sibling didn't even know how to do hobbies. That's how he's so bad. Wait, why the flippin' why is I 4th place? Man, this game sucks. Up. A slide. Slide. Go in the slide. Oh, wait, no, it's a deadly slide. I'm just joking. Wait, no. Bruh.